Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our market leading stocks for Thursday, June 19th, 2014. Remember, this will be the Thursday before options expiration, so there still may be some unwinding to be done. Right now we've got some volume bumps in the NASDAQ patch. Adobe came out with earnings. We've got a volume bump and a contra sell candle on that one. Amazon came out with their announcement of the new phone. We've got a volume bump to go with that and a pretty big candle on the daily, but unfortunately no signal. Entertainment Arts also has a volume bump. That's about it as far as deviations go here. Let's move on to the financials. Financials are having a pretty strong day here. We've got mostly upside CPS conditions, so we're going to be looking for higher prices tomorrow in the overall financials. We do have a sell signal in ICE that's an RPS signal with a volume bump. So that would be the one to watch tomorrow if there's any weakness in the financials. Moving on to the energy names, got a volume bump in BP and also Chevron, and the Chevron has an upside CPS to go with it. PBR is very strong, almost 4% above the day's open. That's going to be leaving a very large candle on the daily chart. Schlumberger, pretty good volume today, and a little more follow through to the upside. Valero right now is flirting with a RPS signal to the downside. Have to see where that one settles up. Got a little bit more time before the bell today. Generals pretty strong here, mostly upside CPSs. Coca-Cola's got an upside signal with a volume bump. UNH has a downside RPS signal with a volume bump. No other deviations present in this group. Housing, not really where the action is today. Lowe's has a volume bump, and that was really kind of sluggish today. The transports, a little bit to the buy side here. We've got a big volume in FedEx following the earnings in UNP and also UPS with volume. The UPS and FedEx have upside signals for tomorrow. And finally, onto the commodities, kind of a mixed bag here. Some to buy, some to sell. Newmont, Double G, ABX, mostly indicated to the upside. We do have some RPSs in Silver Wheaton and Monsanto. Monsanto is a non-precious metals, so is FCX. Pretty big day here in Double G. That's 4% above the day's open. That's a real big candle on the chart. So these are definitely in motion as we kind of expected after the FOMC announcement. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.